I'm Renate the modern alchemist from Hotel Castelfragsburg in Merano, and today I will show you how to make your own hand sanitizer. Especially in these times, it's important to keep your hands clean. For this recipe you need a spray bottle. I will use a 100 ml one, ethanol 96%, hydrogen peroxide 12%, aloe vera juice, and an essential oil, lavender or lemon. Now mix all the ingredients and fill them into the bottle. Spray and rub on the hands several times a day as required, and don't forget to shake before use. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you soon.